Why does your surface have an Apple logo on it?
Why is Rajesh so damn handsome? Oh! Hey!
Straighten your hair and she'll think you're a different person. Easy.
Just shave it.
Yeah, just shave it. Easy.
Wow. Whoa, who that? I'm naked.
Here's the camera mark.
Look how big the zoom is on this thing.
Oh, I know about this.
Start the adventures of Jackie Chan being a hero.
As per usual.
Which reminds me. Do you think we'll find any tech stores on the way?
No, probably not. Or maybe like coming into Lexington, maybe. We should look around maybe if we show up a bit earlier for orientation.
Yeah. I think
They're just so convenient, lightweight, put them in your pocket.
that good
Get
sound
them
quality
in
in
everywhere.
that.
I usually have my headphones in my pocket almost all the time everywhere I go. I don't have them right now, but if I'm just walking around and like all of a sudden I want to listen to music, it's usually just my pocket. Pull them out, start listening. You know what I'm saying?
That's true. But on your computer, sometimes you just want to sit on your computer and listen to it.
Yeah, and then you know what I do? I find like my last pair of jeans I was wearing, and I was like, oh, here are my headphones. And then I plug it into my port, and then I just like listen away. They're just like fantastic. I'm not even kidding you. These Apple earpods,
Right.
small, light form factor, convenient, excellent quality.
Got you beat.
They sit in your ears very well.
Uh-huh.
Some airplanes, they allow you to listen to them on takeoff and landing.
Okay.
Again, with the big ones. They have an inbuilt microphone and a remote. If you have that plugged into a phone, you can just press the button to just turn on your music whenever you like. You can also just press it and answer phone calls. You can also use a microphone and adjust volume. They're just fantastic. I highly recommend them. There's also low cost. There's no DAC or ADC, very simple, but still great audio fidelity.
Fidelity.
It's a big word for broadcast.
Oh, okay, alright.
You say it in an American accent now?
Fidelity.
You're just somewhat shocked? Rich is like, I already knew you were a racist piece of shit. We should put the crate in the back of the van, I thought. I didn't see them set it up actually, to be honest.
Yeah, because the seat in the front left seat is folded out.
Hey Sebastian. Sebastian, what are we doing this morning?
So this morning I woke up by my alarm, I went back to bed because I was really tired, and then Andrew came by, and actually Rajesh came by, and he bundled me up like a cat.
Hi, Rajesh.
It was so great. Anyways, I was so warm as a caterpillar. I just let them leave even though I was awake.
Yeah. And how was breakfast?
Breakfast was freaking delicious.
Yeah.
We got to start all the voting for UAARG, for the UAARG exec next year. So that'll be incredible to see, who gets to be the exec next year. Who's going to be president.
Yeah.
My money's on Brian.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll see. After that, came back here, had a shower. Now I'm all clean and spiffy.
And
we should get going soon.
where are we going this morning?
We're going to Lexington Park because we are in Fairfax, something, Virginia.
Yeah. So how long is our drive?
A whole hour and 20 minutes.
Only an hour and 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
shit.
what the map says. So traffic could throw that off, but
Okay. And then when does competition stuff start?
competition stuff starts this afternoon with the early check-in and the career fair for these guys.
What time of companies do they have at career
USB
fair?
companies. So they have all those things. I think they have Lockheed Martin. Google likes to come over there, so I'm definitely gonna hit the Google place and get all the swag.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't get any of my stuff last time.
We didn't get any of the swag.
Yeah,
last
and then
time,
you
so
had all
we
your
should,
Google stuff for a year, and I was like, I don't have any of that
Yeah,
stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what's happening after that?
After that, they're going to give us a piece of paper that has the final latitudes and longitudes of the search area, the operational area, and the waypoint navigation. Once I get that piece of paper, I'm not going to be paying attention to the rest of you guys. You're going to all be dead to me until I have a flight plan.
Yeah.
You're going to have to carry me back to the hotel. So I'll just be sitting still, focusing on that.
Okay.
That's my plan.
And what else is covered in orientation?
How to not die
Yeah.
at competition.
That's very good advice.
Yeah.
I can't remember anything else. Pretty much that stuff. They usually go over what past teams have done. I don't know.
And then we got free dinner, right?
We get food that night. Yeah.
That's
So
all
tonight's a
that
big
matters.
dinner. Yeah. Yesterday was not a big dinner. It was delicious.
Yeah. Sweet.
Rice is great.
He's the pillow, and then there's this huge 180-pound kid just like this, and then he goes this.
No. You see, that wasn't how it was. That wasn't
And
how it
then
was.
little 80-pound
You
kid
missed
can't
something.
do anything.
No. You see, I was on my back. I was even more relaxed than that. I wasn't
No. You were
crushing
not
you like
on
this.
your back.
I was on my back. I was back like this. I was starfish.
Yeah, but you had your arms wrapped around the couch edges, and then you had your legs pinned up, your legs were 45 degrees, and then you were also just sandwiching some Rajesh into the mattress.
There's nothing against
Hey,
the rules.
I put both the shoulders on the mattress for 10
No,
seconds.
I was.
That was the
I like
rules.
your weight changed from 150 pounds to 80 pounds.
I like that one too. It makes me sound a lot better. Keep with the 50 pounds.
When did I say 50?
Or it was 80 pounds. It was 100.
I said 180 and 115. I'm the 115-pound person. You're the 180-pound person.
I'm not 180 pounds. I can measure how much I weigh because that shoot's on 180.
178.
No, it's not 180.
176.
It's 175 max.
175 max.
Do you want to make a bet out of this?
Another one.
Another one?
Sebastian, you still owe me a muffin.
Well, maybe I'll win that back right now.
How much you got to weigh your dick?
I mean, that's a very personal question. How much do you weigh?
Oh, I weigh 122 pounds.
Oh.
I'm just all that.
Rajesh, you're fat.
Not that. That means she's going to be monitoring me. the
Yep.
entire time.
And if you go 1 kilometer over the speed limit, he'll let you know.
They'll be recorded.
Yeah, it'll all be recorded.
Alright, guys, so what's up?
We're lost. Rajesh lost us. We're out in the
We know
wild.
exactly where we are.
Where are we?
We're
We
lost.
are in Lexington Park. If I turn left here, turn left again, turn right, turn left, then we'll get back on route to our hotel.
We're not going to our hotel.
I know. That's because we don't know where the other place is.
We know where
don't
the other place
we
is. I
are.
just gave Cindy my
Being
phone that has the
lost
place
is not
on it.
knowing where you are.
Yeah, that's true.
You don't want to turn right, Rajesh.
No.
So make a left on Great Mills Road.
Watch the lights.
Yeah. Hey, Brian. Hi, Brian.
So Brian, we're on our way to orientation for the competition where they give us information, as Sebastian explained earlier.
And they also give us food.
We're all in good spirits. We're not very tired. We did a lot of rest and relaxation.
And man, Laquita Hotel is so much nicer than the last hotel we had.
Turn right here.
Laquita.
Right here?
No, no, no.
He's on the way. He's standing in the way. He's standing in the way.
Emery Riddle. What shall we name it?
Yeah, so what should we name it?
Sebastian Place. 33.
Sebastian underscore place. Save. So, go over here, hit delete, let's go here, open with Firefox. This is what it looks like.
Beautiful.
Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go, what's the next one? Properties.